Hey guys, today I'm going to be unboxing the BluSnap wearable cooler for full-faced helmets. It fits right here. We'll have a look at it right now. We included extra filter. Here's the BluSnap. There's some velcro pads that you can optionally stick to the front for regular use. I already filled water in it. Water is filled in this reservoir. And this side, power button, USB charging port, and there's a power indicator. Air pumps out from here, and fitting it is really easy. You just do that. And you're done. Looks a bit chunky, but running for summer weather, this is the perfect thing. You get multiple color options for the strap. I picked the graffiti option. That's it. Servicing it is pretty easy. All you have to do is take off the top entirely, pull out the filter, wash it, and put it back. Also, this grill, so that's the fan you see in front. And after you clean the grill, you can put it right back. So that's it for the video. This is the Blue Armor BluSnap. Hope you like it and pick it up. I think it's definitely worth it.